What's up, y'all? Welcome to Latta Plantation. Down here on the lake, me and Frey decided to come out for a little afternoon delight. We finished up early. Nothing better than a good little nature trail walk, breathe in some good fresh air. Along the trails, it's nice and quiet. It's actually almost up to about 80 degrees by lunchtime. And now today is the first day of daylight savings, which is not a good thing for me. I hate getting dark early, but it is what it is. Sun's starting to go down a little now. It's about 4:30, going on 4:30. So we're out here on a nice little cool spot, getting ready to hit the sun. They got a Raptor Center out here, and what else? They got the lake you can go boating on. But we just like to come out and do a little runs. This is where Junior used to run his cross country. And they got a ton of horses. You can see the horse dungus. Beautiful area though. You come out here and relax your senses. Ray loves the smells. Come on. Come on. I never know what. Might be a bobcat in there. Beautiful area. Nice seclusion. Get away from all the hecticness of the world. Enjoy life. Well, I'm gonna let y'all go. Have y'all a great Monday. I'll see you later. Peace.